What's the meaning of combine harvester? Combine harvester. Combine harvester.
Combine harvester. Combine harvester. A combine harvester is a farming machine used to harvest crops like wheat, corn, and soybeans. It combines three separate harvesting operations into one process: reaping, threshing, and winnowing. The machine cuts the crop with a blade, separates the grain from the stalks by passing them through a thresher, and then removes any remaining debris with a cleaning system. The result is a much more efficient and faster process for farmers to collect and process their crops, helping to increase productivity and reduce costs.